first thing I'm going to be taking is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Original, and I'm just going to put this on my eyelid. And then the next thing I'm going to be taking is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Medium. Next I'm going to be taking is the Born This Way Ethyl Setting Powder. And I like this powder because it's really thin and it's just nice for setting the eyes and the under your eyes. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Subculture palette, and when you're using these shadows you're definitely going to want to do like a base so that these colors really show up. I'm going to be taking the color Edge first, and I find for this look so far it's best to go in with the yellow rather than any other color. Okay, so the reason why I go in for this look with the yellow color first is because when I tried using Dawn, which is right here, or if I tried going into my Morphe palette and I used this palette, this color right here, which by the way this is the 25A palette by Morphe, but when I tried going in with this or that other shade in the Anastasia palette, I find that this just didn't come out as yellow, I guess. I mean, this still is like a burnt yellow, but like it didn't show up like this. So I find that when I use Edge first, it helps with the color. So next what I like to do is I like to go in with a smaller brush like this, and then I'll go in with New Wave, which is right here, and really concentrate it in my crease area. The reason why I go in with New Wave instead of going straight in with this color is because when I went straight in with that color, like this area, the crease area, it got a bit muddy and gray. So I find that when I go in with New Wave first, it sort of helps with that Morphe eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be taking a smaller brush like this, and I'm going to be going into the Morphe 25A palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. And you really want to concentrate this color onto your lid, not in the crease area. I've been a bit MIA on this channel is because, well, basically why I wanted to do YouTube was because I wanted to show girls how to do makeup, but I feel like everybody almost every girl knows how to do makeup nowadays. It's not like the 2012 beauty community, which is what I fell in love with, and I've learned that it's just not like that anymore. So I feel like, what can I really do that people are gonna enjoy? But I feel like the Anastasia palette, there's so much hate around it and it's so hard to use, and you really need to know the color wheel. So I figured, why not do a video showing girls who are not like, I don't want to say makeup artists, but like are just not that great with doing eyeshadow. Like they can do eyeshadow, but they're not like makeup artist status. That would be easy for them, because this is how I use it, because I can't do crazy looks. So I sort of like switch between different palettes. When it comes to this palette, I like to use this as like inspiration when I do my looks. So I'm gonna be going in with this brush and just blending it out. So recently I got the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. It's so hard to use because I'm so used to the L'Oreal Linear Intense black liner. I'll list everything down below just so you know. But yeah, it's the L'Oreal Carbon Black Linear Intense eyeliner in the color Carbon Black, and I like to go in with this first. We'll see if I can do a liner on camera. So next I am going to be using my eyelash curler that I got from the dollar store because I can be a bit cheap sometimes. I don't want to spend like $20 for an eyelash curler. So okay, so first I like to go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I'm going to be taking the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara in waterproof because I can't stand it. Girl, just remember that she does not. Oh wow. I just remembered that I actually do not like to put on mascara until I'm done with my whole face because I find that when I do that and I spray my face, it transfers. Oh well. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. The thing is, the reason why I haven't really been uploading is because YouTube is not YouTube anymore. And when I say that, I mean that it's not like, well, obviously it's not gonna be like 2012, but like, it's just everybody knows how to do makeup pretty much nowadays. So it's like, what can you really do for makeup videos? So that's why I haven't really been uploading. But I feel like with this palette, it sort of got me back into makeup and to relearn. And I thought maybe doing a tutorial on how I use it, because I know it's a difficult palette, that it could help other girls. So if you guys really enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like that, please comment down below. That'd be great. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe.